Good morning, bro.
Good morning, bro. Bro, I think your new teacher taught something interesting as I saw today.
Yes, bro. Today, my teacher taught something new
About what, bro?
about atmosphere and layers of atmosphere.
Is it? Please explain to me. I am eager to learn about that.
Sure, bro. But wait, I want to tell some things to the viewers. Viewers, please skip to the part you like from the description below. Let's go ahead now, bro. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is the blanket of gases which surrounds Earth. It is held near the surface of the planet by Earth's gravitational attraction. The atmosphere keeps the climate on Earth moderate compared to that of the other planets. This atmosphere has 5 layers. Those are 1. The Troposphere, 2. The Stratosphere, 3. The Mesosphere, 4. The Thermosphere, and last the 5. Exosphere. So bro, now the first layer is Troposphere. The Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Starting from the ground level, it extends up to 10 kilometers above sea level. And we, humans, live in the Troposphere. And all weather phenomena occur in this layer. And most clouds form here because 99% of the water vapor remains in the troposphere, and air pressure drops and temperature gets colder as we climb higher and higher. And the tropopause is the boundary between the troposphere. Facts time! Bro, now I want to tell you an interesting fact that water in the clouds holds some of the heat from the Earth's surface. Good fact, right? Stratosphere extends up to the height of 50 kilometers above the ground level. The special part of this layer is the ozone. Yes, ozone is a gas which is present in the ozonosphere, and the ozonosphere is present in the lower part of the stratosphere. And this gas plays a very important role, that is, it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. And this layer is very ideal for flights and jets to move easily and freely. Unlike the troposphere, the stratosphere actually gets warmer the higher we go. The stratopause is the upper part of this layer. It separates the stratosphere from the next layer, which is Mesosphere. And facts time again. Bro, let me tell you a fact again, that the bright top of the cloud also reflects some of the sunlight. Nice, right? And bro, as I told, now move on to the next layer, which is the Mesosphere. The Mesosphere is so cold as in this layer, temperature decreases with the height till it reaches 100 degrees Celsius at the height of 80 kilometers above the ground, where the temperature stops growing. That's why it is known as the coldest layer of the atmosphere. And this layer especially burns meteors that come from the outer space. And the air which is present in this is far too thin to breathe. And air pressure at the bottom of the layer is well below 1% of the pressure at the sea level. And the mesopause separates the mesosphere from the next layer, which is the thermosphere. Facts time again. Bro, now coming on to another fact, did you know the atmosphere extends 6,200 miles into the space? So bro, again, as I told, now let's discuss on the thermosphere. The thermosphere extends up to the height of 80 kilometers to 400 kilometers approximately. As the height increases, temperature increases rapidly and reaches up to approximately 1500 degrees Celsius. It is also called the ionosphere because of the presence of electrically charged particles called the ions. And the radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth. So we can say that this layer helps satellites to transmit radio waves back to the earth, which is useful to us. And the boundary which separates the ionosphere from the exosphere is ionopause. Now, facts time. And this fact is a bit sad because the Arctic region is one of the worst places to be affected by global warming. The Arctic ice is melting rapidly. By 2040 or even earlier, the region is expected to have a completely ice-free summer, which is so sad. And bro, the last uppermost layer is the exosphere. This layer extends from the thermosphere and merges with the interplanetary space. And the temperature of this layer is very high, but the density of this layer is very low, bro. And the latter value is about halfway to the moon. Cool, right? And facts time. And the last fact which I want to tell you is that blood boils at the height of 60,000 feet above the exosphere. That's it, bro. How is it?
Oh, that's nice.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome, bro. Bro, it's time to go. I'm leaving. Bye.
And viewers, that's it for today. Hope you liked it. Actually, we tried in a different way to bring some interest to you. So please tell us how is it in the comment box below. Hang on. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get more informative videos like this. Bye and stay tuned for our next video, guys.